Hello students, today we will be discussing nuclear physics. In nuclear physics we will be discussing the harmful and dangerous effects of radiation. We have discussed earlier three radiations: alpha radiation, beta radiation and gamma radiation. So before discussing all those things, let me give you a brief what we had done previously. We had discussed about alpha radiation, beta radiation and gamma radiation. Okay, in alpha radiation the nucleus emits two protons and two neutrons. So the emission is of a helium nucleus. Okay, so this we had discussed last time. In beta radiation, emission of electrons from neutron is situated in the nucleus. Okay, neutron is split into two protons and electrons. Protons, they stay inside the nucleus and the electrons are emitted. So that is called beta radiation. Now gamma radiation is the emission of electromagnetic wave. Electrons become so much excited that they emit electromagnetic wave. So we have discussed all these things previously. These three things can be called the nature of individual. Like alpha radiation, this is the nature, helium nucleus is the nature. Beta radiation, we have electrons as their nature because neutrons are split into two and they emit electrons. And in gamma radiation, the nature is electromagnetic wave. Okay, so the mass we had discussed earlier, it's 4U. U is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg, and we had rounded this. The denominator comes around 1893, so we had rounded it off to 2000. So 1 divided by 2000 U into U gives you 0.3 zeros and 5 and U. So you have to multiply this decimal with U. You will get the mass of beta radiation, the particle. Okay, and the mass of gamma radiation particles is 0. Okay, we had discussed earlier. Now the symbol, how to symbolize. In the alpha radiation we had given the symbol He. He can be replaced with this Greek symbol alpha, and this is the subscript and this is the superscript. So this is the mass number and this is the number of protons. So 2 is the number of protons and 4 is the mass number. Now here in beta radiation it can be denoted or it can be given a notification like E. E is the symbol of electrons, then -1 is the charge and 0 is the mass number. So this, instead of E, you can replace it with the Greek symbol beta and you can put the same -1 and 0. Okay, here in gamma radiation we have 0 charge and 0 mass number, so that is why we denote like this. So we had discussed all these things previously. Now we are coming to the harmful and dangerous effects of the alpha, beta and gamma radiation. So radiation is very dangerous, you are already aware. So if you spend a long time inside a nuclear reactor, what happens is that or a bomb, nuclear weapon is detonated. If you visit that kind of places, so you will the radiation out there will try to tend to mutate your genes or DNA. So how it happens, we will discuss that. Okay, so radioactive, in order to understand that, before we need to understand this concept. Okay, what is the dangerous aspect inside the harmful rays of alpha, beta and gamma radiation. So you can see this picture here. This picture shows that alpha radiation, when it passes, it can be easily blocked by a piece of paper and the alpha radiation is stopped over here. Now when the beta rays they pass through the piece of paper easily, and when they come over here, where aluminum of the size of certain thickness like 10 mm and more can only block beta radiation. Okay, so when gamma rays are passed through the paper, it easily penetrates the paper, and when it passes through the 10 mm aluminum, gamma rays easily penetrate, and they go after penetrating the aluminum 10 mm and more, 10 mm aluminum, and they go straight, and when they can be only be blocked by a we had discussed that gamma rays can only be blocked by lead, and that too 10 centimeter thickness lead. So gamma rays, when they pass through the piece of paper, the paper cannot block them. When it passes to 10 mm or more thickness aluminum, they also it cannot be blocked, and it moves through, and when it reaches 10 centimeter or more thickness lead, it is easily blocked. So you can see the penetration power of alpha. It can be easily be blocked by a paper. Beta radiation can be blocked by 10 mm thickness aluminum, and gamma rays can be only be blocked by 10 centimeter or more thickness lead. Okay, so this is the concept of the penetration of the radiation. So this much dangerous is to the human body. When it passes easily through our body, it mutates our genes and our DNA, and you are already aware that each and every particle inside our body is made up of molecules, and it is made up of atoms. So when that atomic number is changed by this, what happens is that how it is changed, we will come with this is changed by this concept. When the rays they penetrate, and when they come into our body, for example, our atomic number is changed. How it is changed? By the power of ionization. What is ionization? Is that ionization is the ability to knock off valence electrons. What is valence electrons? Valence electrons is the electrons in the outermost orbit of an atom. So this much penetration power, when it comes and hits an atom or the outermost electrons in the outermost orbit, it knocks off that electrons, and that electron when the electron is knocked off of an atom, it becomes an ion. For example, in my body, if there are many atoms, and suddenly these rays they fall and they penetrate to my body, so certain area will be mutated or will cause cancerous cells. So that is the penetration power and how it is affecting our human body. So this much dangerous is the rays when they penetrate and they mutate the body. In a sense, they with the power of ionization, they knock off the outermost valence electrons in the outermost orbit, and when the valence electrons is knocked out from the outermost orbit, any atom will become an ion. So the property of the atom will we had seen three kinds of radiations. First radiation was alpha radiation. The ionization power is very high for alpha radiation. Okay, for beta radiation, the ionization power is mild, and for gamma radiation, the ionization power is weak. Okay, and the penetration power, you can see the penetration power of alpha radiation is the particle size is large, and it can be stopped by a skin or a piece of paper. So alpha radiations can be stopped by a human skin, and it can be stopped by a piece of paper. Now beta radiation is mild ionization power, means it does not have that high tendency to knock off the valence electron. So it has average ionization power. So it penetrates the piece of paper, but it can't penetrate the aluminum sheet with 10 mm thickness. So it can go through the skin or paper. As you have seen, beta rays can go through a skin or piece of paper, and it can pass through a few millimeters, but beyond 10 millimeter and more aluminum thickness, beta radiation will not be able to pass. That is what is written over here. Now coming to the gamma radiation, you can see gamma radiation is the weakest, but you can see the penetration power is the highest. So it can pass through the piece of paper, it can pass through the human skin, it can pass through 10 mm or more thickness aluminum, and it can penetrate all these, and it can be only be stopped by lead. 10 centimeter thickness or more lead can only stop this penetration of gamma rays. So you can see, being the weakest, the penetration is the highest for the gamma rays. So today we have discussed the harmful and dangerous effects of radiation: alpha radiation, beta radiation, and gamma radiation. You can see the penetration power is less for alpha, it is a bit more for beta, and the penetration power of gamma rays is much higher. So all these radiation are very harmful for human beings because it mutates the cells and it knocks off the outermost electrons of the valence shell, the outermost electrons, and the genes get mutated and we get cancerous cells and so on and so forth. So this is the reason why radioactive penetration is very dangerous as far as human beings are concerned. So alpha radiation, beta radiation, and gamma radiation is very harmful for human beings. Okay, thank you.